So guys, welcome back. We have big retailers deny involvement in BTC Cashback scheme. So guys, we're live on CoinMarketCap Alexandria. Article by Connor Sefton. We're going to be reviewing this article. So a fintech company made a big splash when it announced plans to offer Bitcoin cashback on purchases at dozens of major UK retailers. So, but in the hours that followed, Mode's news release started to slowly unravel, with several top brands denying reports that they were going to be involved. So the publicly listed firm's initial announcement had said British consumers will be able to earn BTC by shopping at the likes of Ocado, Homebase, and Boots. So more than 40 merchants were said to be involved in the rollout, which was due to begin in second quarter of 2022. Mode argued that current loyalty and cashback programs are often difficult to use, slow, or offer rewards that are irrelevant to customers. And according to the company, its offering would allow Britons to accrue Bitcoin without having to pour hard-earned cash into an investment. They claiming there was accelerating appetite for the cryptocurrency. So Mode's CEO Ryan Moore said, "This marks a major step in making the asset class more accessible to consumers of all demographics, ultimately bringing Bitcoin into the hands of millions of customers across UK." So, guys, we have on CoinMarketCap podcast here available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. So you can check it out for recent updates, interviews with crypto influencers by Connor Sefton. So there's always a but. So as you will imagine, the news was gleefully picked up by a number of media outlets in the UK. Indeed, over on the London Stock Exchange, shares in Mood surged by 16% on the news, so hitting 43.3p in intraday trading on Thursday. So, but in a dramatic bombshell, Boots and Ocado, two of the British retailers name-checked in the announcement, they denied claims they were involved. So Boots, the chemist that managed with the US giant Walgreens a few years ago, was quoted by CTAM saying, "Boots is not involved with this scheme. We have not been directly approached by Mood. They have used our name without permission in their press release and marketing materials." So Ocado, an online supermarket, also distanced itself from Mood. In a statement given to the newspaper, Mood insisted Boots and Ocado had agreed to be part of its Bitcoin cashback scheme, but said the agreement had been reached through a number of intermediary affiliate platforms. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope this update is informative. If it is, feel free to like, share, subscribe to buy keys. See you in our future uploads, and stay safe, guys. One love.